Well, hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. The first thing we're going to look at here is a chart of the market. This is the mini S&P 500 futures market, front month in nature. Futures contract, front month in nature. Look at the last print of 1158 on the market. Today's I believe, not just a triple witch, the conclusion of the options and futures as well as equity options, index and equity, but as well as the single stock futures. So I believe it's now called a quadruple witch. Nevertheless, looking at the last print of 1158 as we have gapped up and completely erased the gap, and now we're testing the lows of the prior session. Today is, of course, 19th day of March. Looking over here at Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Had another errant, choppy session on Monday, but really it was the beginning of a retest, a higher low right here, and the beginning of a nice intraday, I should say, trend to the bull side. Well, how do we know that was going to happen? Well, we didn't actually. If you look at our proprietary indicators down here, we definitely see some bearishness. Excuse me, red being bearish, so we're below the trend. We're making new lows right here, certainly intraday lows right here in the S&P 500 futures market, and making new lows right here, and had a higher low here. Was the only indication essentially once we saw the break above the trend that this move was likely to happen. But having said that, on Tuesday when we came in, we had a gap up, just filled the gap right there just to retest the trend, and now we had some serious bullish indications. In fact, we had not only a quadruple threat bullish situation right here, but we had price technicals and the trend also. So 7 bullish indications right there, really suggesting the market was likely to move higher. We had the obligatory drift into the FOMC announcement, the craziness surrounding that announcement, and the simple continuation of the trend. As you can see, full bullishness was the case, so we definitely saw indications that the bulls were in control of the market. We did see some divergences here on Wednesday. As you can see right here, price was making an extreme new high, but our indications weren't quite as robust as the day prior. In fact, we had divergences across the board and actually broke below the trend on this day, and as you can see, full out bearishness on Thursday's session, the 18th of March. Full out bearishness, as you can see right here. A little bit of bullishness late in the day, but overwhelming bearishness, choppiness in terms of price. So why are we at the retesting the lows of the prior day after gapping up at this resistance? Well, there you see it. Full bearishness is the case. We're bearish from a trend following perspective, price technical perspective, arguably the trend following perspective, and certainly bearish from our proprietary indicators, suggesting that the bears are in control. Now, having said that, it is, of course, quadruple witch, so anything can essentially happen, but nevertheless, that's where we stand. Intraday is certainly in bears control. Should we get a break below 58 or just hold below 60, we'll likely finish at the lows of the session, but there again, it is quadruple witch, and it could be a choppy session. So where are we standing though? Well, we'll take a quick glance at the S&P 500 cash market. Looking at the last print of 1162.60, and I believe when we looked at this about a half hour ago, obviously it was a little bit higher, 1167 or so. So that was a gain of about 46 points. Looking at a gain of about 40 or so points right now in the S&P, and of course we mentioned our official market timing at the beginning of the month. Go bullish. We're bullish at 1121. So there's a quick 40 points. That's about $2,000 per S&P 500 futures contract if you're trading off of these signals. Of course, these signals are our official market timing. And over the last 16 months or so, 600 points is what you've gotten. 600 points, and there's another 40 or so just over the last few days as we've really continued this trend. Certainly the bounce off the mother and key measure of trend following support resistance right here at this green line, certainly remaining bullish, certainly above the highs as well. So just a comfortable trend to the bullish side. So where do we remain? Certainly officially bullish on the market. And in terms of sentiment, we are seeing some sentiment indications suggesting the bears may be looking to move the market over, but really we just need to at least close below the high of the low day. Are we going to get that today? That remains to be seen, but so far we've yet to have it. Interesting formation here that we're getting, so this could be bearish actually. Definitely would, we just want the market to move. We don't really care which direction it goes. Nevertheless, this system, as you know, just a beautiful performer. $16,000 over the last year or so, and a $1,200 maximum drawdown. Isn't that just beautiful? We just happened to give this system to you. Just we mentioned it one day and coded it, and boom, there you have it. So we're going to move over to look at. Move over and look at it. Of course, this is our most favored swing system, Swing System 5.0. Again, just catching beautiful moves. We can look at the performance report of these, and look at that. Look at that beautiful $18,000, $3,800 maximum drawdown over the past year or so. Just beautiful system. Again, right back into another winning trade this morning, reversing to the short side and booking a beautiful win right there. These two cancel themselves out, but look at this beautiful win booked, canceled, and right back into another profitable trade. So there's the grind right there. Day Trader 5.0 actually canceling itself out. Actually, also in another short setup right there. So definitely looking good right there for the Day Trader 5.0 after canceling out some trades. This is our ES Day Trader 1.0. This has been around for about 4 or 5 years. As you can see, beautiful short setup this morning. We actually are going to mention this trade right here. It was just so beautiful to go long right there, hold for almost the whole of the up move, and then stay out of the market for the whippiness, the complete erasure of the early sessions gains. This was on Wednesday, and right back into another amazing trade here at 61.50 down to 56.50. So a quick 5 points for the ES Day Trader 1.0. You can actually get this in MSA form now on a monthly basis. So we're going to actually probably going to go ahead and start. We're going to address actually a couple of our new models right here. This is our TFG, and we're going to go ahead and bring this up. And as you can see, beautiful. Now this factors in we're actually using $25 ahead of time for every round turn, slippage and commission, $38,000 with a $5,000 maximum drawdown for this system right here. Oh, I wish we'd have had the audible on that one. Just reached our profit target as we were speaking. So there's two great trades yesterday. One yesterday short at 681.10, 678.40, nice little $300 gain. Boom, short this morning, 676.20, right down to 671.80. So there's what was that, 676.20? So there's a nice $400, $500 gain right there. Boom, just hit our profit target, so we can book that on there. So these portfolios are actually going to be, as you can see, this system is doing very well. I believe we just looked at that, $38,000 or $38,900 now after booking that gain. And we've also got the ESG 10, which also happens to be on the short side. Look at that, trading the ES short, 1163. Just really capitalizing on the short side today. Looks great. Nevertheless, we're really running out of time. Here's that trade. You just saw another great trade. Here's that trade in the ES Day Trader 1.0. You can actually get this in MSA form now. 1,200% return over the last year or so, including $20 for round turn for slippage and commissions. You can actually participate in this on a monthly basis. And the new models, the TSG and the ESG, those... Nevertheless, just go to the website on the home page, and you can go right here to DTEES MSA, and you can get all of our MSA portfolios. Scroll down to the bottom and click, and you'll get this right here. Actually, no. Let's go ahead and just scroll down to the bottom, and we'll go ahead and add this to the cart. That's the $900 a month. So instead of $2,900 up front for 3 months for the DTTES, you can get this system for just $900. And we've also got a special right now. Promo code VIDEO will save you 20%. We're going to update that to 1. We'll save you 20% on just about any portfolio we offer. So enter promo code VIDEO. Go to the website, chat with the support team live, shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com, or just go to the website and purchase your favorite portfolio, any MSA. Any portfolio essentially is 20% off. So right now, not $2,900 up front for the DTDES MSA, but just $900 and save an extra 20% off of that. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.